Hello, today I'm going to be taking you through a activity for children within the emergent stages of writing. This activity I got from Teacher Pay Teachers. It's very simple and has lots of other resources and just kind of sight words, practice reading, different types of books for different sight words. This particular activity is an IC book, and children can color the pages. They can write their name and then they build it together. You can see it's very repetitive. I see crayons, I see scissors, I see glue. And what children will do is they will color it and then you can staple it all together and then have them read it in small group. They also have a resource for just the sentences. I see crayons, I see scissors, I see glue. This is something that you can practice with them in small group before they create their book, which is very helpful. So that way they know what to expect. They also have where children can write the words see in the sentences. This would be good in independent stations if you were to create copies and maybe laminate them and use dry erase markers. They can trace the word see, and then you can also do an assessment for them with them to color the word see and then build it.